Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a spot. Welcome to Fred's Tips and Tricks. Woo. One of my friends told me that he didn't know how to do it, and then I was just like, why can't you do that yourself? As you can see and actually hear, this one is broken. First of all, turn the light off. With my particular socket, I can do it without turning off the lights, but be safe. Whoop. I don't know if you can see it. So the clip is holding the bulb in place by going out into two holes out here. So you just have to press them together, take out the clip, and then the bulb will fall down. Put it on the new bulb, pinch this one together, and put it up and out. And be sure to get these into the two holes. Lift the loosey out. This is how the socket looks. These two pins, they go up to the holes. And then you just turn it. So, very easy. Wait, can I do it? Yeah, I could. Then just turn it righty-tighty. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. The new bulb is in place. Push it up and put on the clip. And the clip that I just showed you have to go in here and up here. So I'm just gonna do it with one hand if I can. So if I can do it this without one hand, you can do this with two hands, okay? It's gonna be a pain. It's gonna be a pain. Hold on. Can we get it? Can I get it? Man. Yeah, I'm just about to get it. Then I just have to, yeah, it's in place. Let's try and turn it on. Moment of truth. Yeah, it worked. So I'm just gonna talk briefly about why I bought a softer, less wattage light. When there's so many spots in my tiny room here, it gets too bright in here. So when we get in at night or in the evening to take a dump or whatever you do out here, to change diapers or whatever, it's just too bright. So I bought one of these packs with 3 new bulbs in, which only uses 2.6 watts instead of having the original ones, halogen. They use 55 watts per unit, 330. If I chose to put these 2.6 watts in all of these 6 sockets, it would be the equivalent of halogen lighting, 15.6 watts. In these times with energy pricing going nuts, it makes good sense to change out things like that. Another benefit, they don't get hot, and halogen gets like very hot. Subscribe to my channel. I'm making a ton of different videos about all sorts of stuff. Browse my videos. I think maybe you could find something that you would find useful. So have a great one. Bye.